Good evening, everyone. How is everyone doing? I hope you're doing great. This is Jamal Jamali with Easy Finance for everyone. So as we promised, we're going to talk about the challenges that we will face in the future due to lack of financial information. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first challenge that we will face is lack of savings. During the last 8 years, I have had a lot of sessions with people face to face, and when I ask them, do you save? Most of them say no. So people don't save in North America. The question is that why? The answer is usually people say that there is nothing left at the end of the month. So this is something we will have to learn. You can never save at the end of the month. So what is the solution? We will talk about it. So the reason people don't save usually is they don't have enough motivations. And it goes back to the inflation rate. We talked about it already, that at the banks we get 0.5, 1%, 1.5, and this is the interest rate we get at the bank. That's why people don't want to save. That's the reason. And because people don't have the habit of savings in North America, maybe 20-25% of the North American, if something happens and they need $500 or a little more or less, they have to use their credit cards. And let's say there is an emergency and I need about $5,000. So maybe 60-70% of the people, they cannot afford that. So again, credit card. This kind of debt is called bad debt. And people say, do we have a good debt? Yeah. For example, if you have a mortgage, if you have already bought a property, that's a good debt because the money will stay there for you. But credit cards are bad, especially because the debt is compound. Okay, this is the first challenge, lack of savings. And the second one is inflation. We've already talked about it. We said that about 7% inflation now we have, and we are not getting that kind of interest in the banks, so we are losing our purchasing power. Everything is going up, all the prices. I can remember in 2000, let's say 2002, an apartment on Lower Lonsdale was about maybe 120,000, and now it's about 800,000. And gas was about, let's say, 55 cents. And now it's about $2 almost. So this is inflation. Okay, this is the problem. What is the solution? We have to learn how we can have better rate of interest in North America. The solution is learning. Okay, thank you very much for joining us. Stay tuned for the next episode. We're gonna again learn about more challenges, and then we will discuss the solutions. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Bye-bye.